This one's called Smoked Tofu Breakfast Egg Muffins, and we are going to make 6 of them again. Let's start off with about half a leek chopped, 1 small onion finely diced. Next in goes 80 grams of smoked tofu, or roughly 3 ounces. So that's roughly half of this pack here. Next we have a quarter of a cup of grated cheese. I use Gouda here, but cheddar is also very nice. Now we need some salt, about a quarter of a teaspoon or half a teaspoon, you decide. I go for a quarter of a teaspoon now. And lastly we need 3 eggs. In they go. Alright, now give all of it a good whisk. Alright, and now it's muffin tin time. Okay, I got some olive oil now here. Drizzle in a few dollops. And with a tissue I spread it out evenly on 6 slots. Okay, beautiful. Now in with the batter. Alright, and as you might have seen in the other videos, I pour in some water into the rest of the slots, just to make sure that the muffin tin doesn't dent and that it keeps good for longer. These go in now for 20 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. See you in a moment. The moment has come. Same as every morning, really. Let's see how they fare. Oh, please don't stick. No. Didn't stick. Did not stick at all. Alright, this looks excellent. Yes, they turned out very, very good. Smoked tofu breakfast egg muffins. Done. Enjoy them.